Good morning, everyone. Today we're doing another video. I'm down here in downtown Easton. Wanted to get the drone out. It is a cold Sunday, December morning. It's 35 degrees and nobody's down here yet. I flew one time down here by the river, but I was about, I'm gonna say it's about a half mile, 3/4 mile that way, and it's down by the railroad bridge. Today, I'm between the two bridges. One is called the Free Bridge, and one is the Route 22 bridge. And I'm gonna get the drone out today. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. That is the Route 22 bridge. And then over here is the Free Bridge. Way in the distance, you can see that train bridge. I was down there last time, but now I want to fly between these two bridges. And being there's no one here in the park, looks like I've got a good place to take off. What I'd like to do is get some good shots going underneath the bridge, go up and above and around all of them. My only concern is one of the great features on the Phantom drones is if it loses signal, it will return home on its own. But when it does that, it stops, turns around, and then goes up about 100, 120 feet and then comes back. So if I'm to lose signal underneath this bridge, it's going to go kaplunk and then in the river. So maybe I'm taking a chance today, but F it, you know, I've had it for about 9 months. Let's get a little more gutsy with it, as we say. So I think this is a pretty good spot right here between the two bridges. So I'm gonna go back to the car, get everything over here. I'm going to mount this on my tripod so we can see it take off and hear it and all that. And yeah, here we go. Okay, I made it down. I'm actually down by the river. Originally, I had planned to shoot from up top, and I was going to shoot from up there where that playground stuff is. There's a lot of little trees, and I happened to find a path that came all the way down to here. And I think from down here, I'm going to have a better perspective, and I'll have a less chance of losing the signal, especially flying underneath there. I really feel confident flying underneath there. I won't lose the signal. And yeah, I think this is a good spot. So let me get the tripod out and we'll get this thing going. Hey, here we are. We're all set up. We got a piece of driftwood in the way. That's what we got. Okay, so we got the drone all set up. Got my controller. Everything's on a tripod. Now this is the first time that I'm using my new phone. I just got the iPhone 10, and I watched Casey Neistat. I know one of the things that he said the one time when he was flying that the DJI app crashed. You know, this is what I use to see as I'm flying. And on the old iPhones, they had the home button. And here you have to swipe and do a little. It's a good test thing because if something does happen, I gotta see what happens as we do this. So anyhow, let's get this thing up in the air. We're going to head for the bridge. Alright, I think we're going to be gutsy and go underneath the bridge. Alright, we're going to go to the other bridge now. Whoa, that's about 3 feet off the water. Alright, now we're going to the other bridge. Go down to the train bridge now. See if I can get close to down there. There's a bunch of geese coming, so I think we're going to see if we can get near them. Is still got 60% left, so I want to go fly underneath that bridge now. Train over there. Alright, I think we're going to bring her. Whoop, I think we're going to bring her back and just do a panorama and call it a wrap. right, we're gonna bring her back down, and I think there's some geese over that bridge. We're gonna go over there and see if we can stir them up, and then definitely gonna wrap this up. I'm down to 38%. No battery warning. Oh well. Well, we made it back in one piece. That's always a good thing. Let's get her packed up and look all on leaves I got in my toolbox. What a noob. Alrighty. Well, that was a lot of fun. I'm glad we got the shots, and I didn't crash it into the Delaware River. That's always a good thing. And looking forward to going home and posting this. Hey, thanks for watching. If you are still watching, I appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, drop a like. If you really want to make an old man happy, hit that subscribe. I do this for fun. I have no delusions that I'm going to be a YouTube star. I just do this for fun. It gives me an excuse to take my drone flying or give my opinions on watches or anything else that I come across. So, hey, thanks again. We'll see you in the next one.